Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Thursday, March 14, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today, a white body candle that has made a lower high and a lower low in line with the previous day's trading, so continuing that trend to the downside. For the previous day's trading we had a black body candle. Today we now have a white body candle, and that does suggest somewhat of a change of sentiment in the market, where the sellers made net bearish progress for the previous day. Today the buyers have made net bullish progress, so potential for a change of trend based on that. The problem here is, however, that it is a spinning top type candle, a very large shadow on the top and the bottom, and it does suggest some indecision, but there are some positive factors here that suggest that the buyers have been stronger throughout the trading day today. Firstly, that white body and the market closing up above the midpoint level and between the midpoint level and the high, and it suggests that the buyers have closed with control of this market, not strong control, but still they've taken control away from the sellers. So we do need to watch for a potential higher high and higher low. Now the only problem is though that the 130.25 level is a very, very strong level of resistance. And today, once again, the market has tested up above that level within this zone between 130.25 and 130.79 and been rejected from there, as it was for the previous day's trading. So we see that shadow on the top, and that represents the buyers losing commitment. So whether the market can trade up through there is debatable. We would really need to see a bullish close up above the 130.79 level to clear that area for the market to trade higher. But we do have very strong resistance at 131.45, and then around the 131.96 we have very strong resistance, and the Kijun-sen trading around there, and above there extending up to the bottom of the cloud around the 133 level. By the same token, however, the market tested down below the 129.68 level, and we've tested down there for many occasions over the last couple of weeks, and the market has been rejected from that level. So it is a very, very strong level of support. Here we see the large shadow on the bottom, and the sellers have lost commitment down around that area. So a lot of indecision in this market, but perhaps today's trading has swung slightly to the buyers. So let's be on the lookout for a potential higher high and higher low. But if the trend does continue to the downside, and if we do see a bearish close down below that 129.68 level, we could see the market testing down to 128.57 fairly quickly. So let's be aware of that. Now, in terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the first time frame, the relationship of the first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market was trending down. And here, once again today, we've seen the market fail to close down below the 161.8% level. With the buying coming to the market today, and the balance perhaps swinging to the buyers for the trading day, there is potential for a change of trend. So the high becomes very important. We do have that strong resistance that the market has to trade through, but this market is set up based on the interaction with this Fibonacci level and the sellers losing commitment. It is set up for that potential change of trend. And also in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, the market has tested down below the 100% level for the second day in a row, and now we have buying coming in, suggesting that there is good potential for a change of trend. Now, in terms of Ichimoku, a bearish market in all three timeframes. The market's trading below the cloud, so it's bearish in the long-term time frame. The market's also trading below the Kijun-sen, so bearish in the medium-term time frame, and trading below the Tenkan-sen, so just bearish in the fast-term time frame. The Tenkan-sen will offer itself as resistance to this market, strengthening the 130.25 level. But if we can see a bullish close up above that Tenkan-sen, it will mean a change of character in this market. No sign of that happening at the moment, but if that does happen, a potential change of character. We haven't seen any solid bullish trading up above the Tenkan-sen for quite some time, so we do need to watch that. But with the market trading down below all of the Ichimoku indicators, the bias is to the downside, so we do need to be watching this 129.68 level, and as I've mentioned, if we see a bearish close below there, we could quickly move down to 128.57.